300 yards. This is right here, mind.
It's not very much up the road.
Or left here.
I've got to move that thing.
So you're going to stay in the middle and then...
Because some of them blocks them off, haven't they? Sometimes it blocks them up. And now I've got to go left.
After 200 yards, turn left, B862, Bank Street.
I've walked to this bridge. I can only walk into this bridge, that's about as far as I've got.
Turn left.
Because the station's just over there. Up there, the station is. Yeah. I can only walk in here. We walked here because the station's just up there. The station's just up there. Yeah, the station's just up there. But I got to go round this way to get round, it's one way. Because I've got to go on that road up there.
That's a hotel called By the Bridge.
I can never walk into this room, that's back there.
That's nice. If you look down there, you can see the mountains with the snow on.
Yeah, it's just, when I came here, it was snowing. It was really thick snow when we came here.
Yeah.
When I came here last.
See, this is at the moment. This is nice.
And that was Easter, and that's about the same time. I can remember when it's been up there, so I come here once and it's been snowing as hell.
And there's a Highland House of Fraser down there. Yeah. I don't know if it's the same House of Fraser, but it's the Highland House of Fraser.
After 300 yards, turn right, B865, Academy Street.
It's just more up here, it's pretty close to it. It's just heading over. She knows where she's going.
Who?
Laura.
Laura who?
Laura.
Oh yeah. Well no, she put on Facebook the other day that when we were by something, she thought, oh, there's a nice Toby Carberry there, and I'm like, yeah, literally walk up and past it.
Turn right.
She's Edinburgh though, isn't she?
Yeah. Inverness here.
She's Inverness, is she?
So it's from here.
No.
Because it's
I don't think so.
I nearly got run over there, they did.
Mm.
They nearly ran those kids over. There's quite a lot of bakeries, so there's a good bakery there.
Well, when we get in the hotel in a minute, you can go out and find us some cakes. Eh? Eh?
Go for wonderful.
Yeah, you can go find us
I
some
didn't
cakes.
stay in that Travelodge because there's no parking on them. So these Travelodges ain't got parking on them. You got to pay for parking.
Travelodge.
And some of the permanents, you got to pay for some of their parking, some ones. That definitely have, you and that. Because we've got a small enough car park, so it's parked somewhere else.
Church. Look, an M&Co.
We're right by that bridge just now, down the bottom there.
Yeah, but you're not going to the station
300 yards, go around the roundabout for
Tells you to
exit
turn around anyway.
the 865 Milburn Road. Go around the roundabout, 4th exit, then, after 150 yards, you have reached your destination.
Being better quicker, I'll go for one of them, I'm going to go see the get key. Oh, look, Ben. Oh, Ben, look. Your mum said I could turn the routes back to Rango on this side.
You have reached your destination.
We haven't.
I have, but just not back there. I've been on 3 o'clock. No, that's the impossible. Yeah, there's a small restaurant, a rain restaurant.
Yeah, they got their own.
But I'm going to go to, I want to go to Edinburgh Zoo. There's a place across, is it straight on the hill?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh no, it's just a parking. There's a red light.
Rubbish to go in it. No.
Well, that old bloke in front of us. No, that old bloke in front of us in that red car.
Eh?
That bloke in front of us in that red car. He was ever so funny this morning. Yeah. When they said, what do you want? He's like, I don't want a heart attack Scottish breakfast. I want a heart attack English breakfast. I was like, okay. And he's like, oh, decent sized cups for your damn tea. I'm like, oh, Jesus Christ.
Is he Scottish?
No.
Did you find anything rubbish in or not?
Now see over there, look, guys. See where the wall is?
Oh yeah.
There's 2 posts down. Put the one over there, you can see it there. My head would be right on just looking over the top.
Just over the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloody evil, that.
The car's on 99999. Feel 10,000, isn't it?
Yeah, he said.
You want to go Morrison's, do you? Hey.
Hey,
Go to
yeah,
Morrison's.
get some more poop.
That way, Morrison's that way.
Turn right, Viribus Road, then, at the end of the road, turn right, the 865 Milburn Road. Turn right.
Oh, possibly. Yeah.
There's some Tesco's over the bridge at Edinburgh, but I might just get a sandwich or something. Tesco's. Because I don't want anything cheap there.
After 300 yards, make a U-turn.
10,000!
Inverness.
Make a U-turn.
Just spent 10,000 miles from Inverness.
This is how we get
No,
the car.
Yeah.
There's shed outside.
Was there?
Yeah, just
That's because that's the thing. I think that shopping centre was there when we came before, but we just didn't go to it. Because that's that bloke I just said to him, like, last time I came here, it's got to be about 20 odd years ago at least. And he just said to me, he said, it's changed a bit. He said, not that much he's changed that, really. That bloke was saying. He said,
Very Scottish, though, did
he did to me, but he might not be from this area, innit?
he? Yeah, might be interesting to go down south.
But that bloke at Fort William in the pub, oh my god, he was so strong, his accent. But it's nice, he got Tesco as well, right next to the Morrison's supermarket. It's like the Tesco supermarket. One just came in just now.
Seriously,
That train came in just now.
Tesco.
What, not hanging on in the middle of a bloody road? Poor thing.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Steve.
It's between it.
Bugger that.
It's free parking for half an hour, then it's £4 for up to 3 hours.
Is that because of people in there?
Next is right next to the shopping centre. So I don't know if it's actually owned by Morrison's. Yeah, but you do in Western Bend, you've got to pay for parking Western one. If you get your money back, so it's quite a long way drive down to Edinburgh from there, one.
Eh?
It's quite a long way down.
Yeah.
Straight on the E9 is. Big perk.
At the end of the
Were you stopping
road,
at Perth, did you
turn
say?
left,
No, stopping at Perth.
B865 Milburn Road.
Gift shop.
Gift shop.
Because sometimes they're cheaper than going to Edinburgh, because Edinburgh one's the gear. See, the petrol's a bit cheaper now. It's because it comes in this way, isn't it? That's why it's cheaper in Perth, isn't it? So it comes off the Is that what you said about that? That hotel?
What?
It's a little winery,
Well, that one.
the one that we stayed in.
Alright.
That's where the things come there. But the other one next to it's bad name.
What was the one we stayed in?
That's what
An old winery.
whiskey place.
Oh, yeah.
Whiskey place, he said.
Yeah.
That's where the room, because I said to him, the room's massive. Because I was just thinking about the size of the room. I said, we've never been in one that size of the room
After
is double the
300
size of everywhere else.
yards,
And he went,
cross the roundabout,
yeah,
second
it's
exit,
the way it's like.
B865 Milburn Road.
He said, that's what everyone says about that room. Because that's one of their biggest rooms.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
We walked up here and asked him. And then, because he wants the level crossing come down.
Eh?
He wants to see the level crossing come down.
Yeah.
That's the Chinese.
After 300 yards,